This is the Ikea Alarm Clock. Sorry, I just can't believe I'm making a video about an alarm clock. Anyway, this is the Ikea Alarm Clock, also known as a I give up. PLIRA, maybe. Here's some paperwork. It's mostly made out of metal, with plastic on the front and the back. 3 simple ways you can interact with this thing. On-off switch for the alarm, dial to set the time, and a dial to set the alarm. It runs on 2 AA batteries. The clock is now functional. Notice how it does not have a second hand, only an hour and a minute hand. Now to readjust the time. This is what the alarm sounds like. To make this thing shut up, just flip the switch on the back. Bit inconvenient, yes, but it wakes your brain up. That's it for this video. Yes, I just made a video about an IKEA alarm clock. I'm running out of video ideas. Send help.